Good afternoon. I just started a new project here. I'm using my brain system for this, and so I have asked Claude to create tarot cards for me as obsidian notes. Let me explain. My brain system has tools, has 15 tools. So they're tools for state and for remembering things and for retrieving things. And we use obsidian notes for our memory system. So I just asked Claude, I'd like you to build obsidian notes for the tarot cards. I would like to have one note per card. The note should include possible interpretations for the individual cards. And you can see them here: Page of Cups, keywords, blah, blah, blah. Knight of Cups, keywords, interpretation, reversed, and so on and so forth. So this is going to take a little while. There are 78 cards altogether, so I will end up with 78 new notes in Obsidian. And I can look at them. If I bring up Obsidian here, I can go into graph mode here, and then let's see if I can get this to be a little larger. And move it over this way. Maybe this is it here. This is, I guess they're not connected. I should have them connect to something. Anyway, this is Obsidian. It's a very nice application for building knowledge graphs or knowledge bases. And that's what we're doing now. We are filling up our knowledge base with 78 new notes. Now, why am I doing this? I had a nice chat here with Google Gemini about creating an oracle and why we would want to do that in an AI. Well, the basic answer is that the tarot system is used for intuition. And the other tools that we have at our disposal are for knowledge. So we can ask questions, etc., and we will get responses from our large language model. But there's no intuition involved in that. The tarot cards give us the ability to have some intuitions about things. Now, I don't think it's magical. I don't think that it's true divination, but I do think it might make for more interesting responses. So we seem to have done everything here. Let me ask a question. I'm going to turn on voice control again. I would like you to, do you know what a Celtic cross pattern is in tarot? Claude can be a little bit long-winded. This is completely unnecessary, all the stuff that's being output here. I just wanted to know if Claude knew what it was. Simple yes or no would have been sufficient. All right, he's going to take a while. I would like you to pull a Celtic cross and tell me what the cards are that you get. Darn it. Forget to turn this back on. By the way, I can say start listening. I would like you to pull the cards for a Celtic cross and tell me what they are. This is the Brain Execute tool. This is another one of the tools that I created. These all work through MCP, the Model Control Protocol. All right, so there we are. Those are the cards that were chosen. And now I can ask a question. Based on this reading, should I add a tarot card tool through MCP, the Model Control Protocol, to my brain system? Question mark. Reading analysis for your MCP tarot tool decision. The world, present. You're at a completion point with your brain system. It's already functioning well, and you're considering what to add next. This major arcana card suggests you've mastered the current iteration. Queen of Wands, challenge. This represents the creative, passionate, driving push to expand. The Queen of Wands is entrepreneurial and confident. She's challenging you to be bold with your system's capabilities. Five of Wands, distant past. Past technical challenges and competing ideas. You work through various conflicts and approaches to get your brain system where it is. Eight of Wands, recent past. Rapid development and swift progress. You've been moving fast with implementations. Ace of Wands, possible future. A resounding yes. This is the card of the new creative beginnings, fresh inspiration, and innovative projects. The Ace of Wands appearing in your future position strongly suggests that this tarot card would spark new creative potential. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, yes, build it. So, because I implemented this brain tool, which, by the way, you can find out here. GitHub.com, Mikey Bees. And then down here, this one has 7 commits. This is what it is, and these are the features. That's how to install it, etc., etc. There's also a README in here that's, I'm sorry, this is the README. Does it say down here? Well, it should say somewhere how to get it all set up once it's installed. But the point is, look at how easy it was for me to create a system for tarot. All I had to do was tell it to create the cards. I didn't tell it how to create the cards. And once the cards were created, I said, pull a Celtic cross and give me your interpretation. To the question, should I add it to my brain tool? Well, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this, and like and subscribe, and bye-bye.